Are you looking for the best hair removal in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hair removal that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Waxkiss Home Waxing Kit Wax Warmer Pot. This great wax hair remover is a yet different reliable product built using safe and reliable components. First, this product makes application of high quality and safe ingredients that ensure that one has a great waxing time. Again, the formula is secure for delicate skin and can be utilized to wax these sensitive regions of one's body like this bikini line, these upper lips, these armpits, and other areas. At number 4, Aimike Smooth Facial and Body Hair Removal Wax. Aimike is among the best wax warming kits accessible on a market right now. This output arrives in an awesome design with a simple to tune knob on the front. The tool has an attractive heating function that approximately heats and melts this device quicker than different products. Though, this outcome could be extra useful to well-experienced people as it's difficult to wash the product and the wax can be seen just if these lids remain lifted. At number 3, Wax Warmer, Heater, Hair Removal Kit. The product of the manufacturer Waxwing is among the best hair removal wax warming kit accessible on the business right now. The device is among the best suitable wax warmers ready. It could melt every kind of wax minus any serious interests. This machine is lightweight and has a small size. This manufacturer too provides wax beads and wooden chopsticks among this stock. At number 2, Wax Warmer, Portable Electric Hair Removal Kit. This means another excellent choice among a perfect paraffin mask that operates well all on the average and dry skins. The warmth is flexible with lights showing when this unit means on. The auto shut-off roll helps put the system safe while you are not about it, but these warmer means on. These see-through cover moreover helps give even softening of these wax while too allowing one to observe the state of these wax. At number 1, Wax Warmer Hair Removal Waxing Kit by Tress Wellness. This means a DIY product that gets it even stronger. One won't be provoking any extra cost visiting one salon all this time. That one will guarantee that you've effective waxing of one's hair. In this process, you would have hair extracted from various parts of one's body best. Anything else is a clever formula that can be utilized on various parts. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.